everyone, Gabby here, and have you wondered what's been behind me for probably several videos and I've tried to strategically not acknowledge them or point to them? I bought new Liz Lisa. In my defense, my friend enabled me. So I want to say maybe a month or two ago, Liz Lisa dropped their spring collection, and I will insert some photos here so you can see. And my good friend immediately was like, you gotta get it. You gotta get it. You just gotta get it. And once I've been enabled, I'm enabled. Today we will be doing a Liz Lisa try-on haul of some items I bought from the new spring collection as well as from the winter sale they recently had. So let's just get into it. Like I said, I would have had a fun unboxing, however my camera made it really badly colored and I couldn't correct it really. So let's get into it. But before we get into it, make sure you hit the subscribe button because it's right there. And yeah. Just do it for me. It free. Come on. So let's start with what I have in the bag. I hung up my two dresses, but I have two other items that I will be showing you. We're gonna start with this little thing. So I will preface, so I only bought one full price item. The other three items were on sale, so I'm just gonna show them to you. First thing I got is this Bejeweled cami. And so when I say Bejeweled, you're probably like, Gabby, what are you talking about? There's nothing there. It's just a white cami with some lace on it. So what it has is it has these little like loops basically. If I can find a way to show you. It has these little loops on the cami straps and it comes with these fun little bedazzled like chains and pearls and lace that you clip onto the back of the tank top. And I have been seeing people look for these all over Depop and they were on sale, so I'm kind of confused as to like maybe like an older release was like something people were looking for, but they do have them still, so I don't know, people were like freaking out. But I got it in white because I felt that I don't own enough white. I really don't. I don't wear white like ever really, so I thought it'd just be good. And also it's like a really nice material. It's pretty thick. I like that the back elastic is really stretchy. Like I've never seen a tank top really have this, so I'm intrigued. And it's just so pretty and sparkly and lacy, and it's just gonna look good with everything I own. So I'm very excited to try this on. I've not actually, the only thing, so I've tried on the dresses previously to make sure because I was so paranoid, but I've not tried on the tank top or this other item. Ooh, also what I will do, so I'll put the actual name, I will have put the name of the tank top, like the style of it here, and I'll insert the name of all the different items so you can look them up if you're interested. But the next thing I bought, which I think is one of the cutest pieces, is this little black trapezoid skirt. I remember when this came out, I was very intrigued and I almost bought it in the pink, but I think the black was a good choice on my part. Also because I don't own any like solid color Liz Lisa skirts. Like all my Liz Lisa skirts are patterned, so I thought it'd be good to get like something solid in a neutral color that can go with everything else I buy. And what I really like about this skirt is it has these side panels with lace and then this little heart buckle. I'm gonna show you, it's so cute. Like, come on, focus camera. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. And what I love is it is just so well constructed. What I love about Liz Lisa is everything I've bought from them, either secondhand or new, has been impeccably constructed. So we have the side zipper. It has a full-on hook on the skirt. Do you know how skirts should just come with this? Like this is like either have this or a button. It's so necessary. And then we have our good side zip. Nice and smooth. It goes about halfway on the skirt. And then it also has elastic in the back. So I feel like I could tuck a sweater into this. Like I definitely think this is going to be a staple piece. And it's so pretty. It's a nice material. I'm very, very excited to wear. Very, very excited to wear. Ba-doop, ba-doop. Oh, I almost tripped. So here is dress number 1. I'll put the name of the style. First of all, like, just look at the back. It's so pretty. I love the sailor collar and the little bows and the lace. I'm such a sucker for details like this. So here's the front of the dress. Now, I don't have the clip of it anymore. When I unwrapped the dress, this bottom button had the stone actually completely ripped out, and one of the pearls had fallen out as well. So it did come with an extra button, but I tried to glue this one together, and I honestly am just going to replace it because I'm so bothered by it. Because you can see the crack, in my opinion, very obviously still. But I did buy this on sale, but I've really never had a button that destroyed. I wish I'd taken a picture of it before I glued it back together. But yeah, the clear crystal with the mirror backing had completely ripped out, and the pearl had ripped out. So I do at least have the extra button to fix it, but then if I lose another button, then I don't have any more of them. So that's that. But here is the dress. Here is she. She is stunning. We have some white little puff sleeves. We have the sailor collar. And it is adorned with my favorite Liz Lisa lace. Like, I love the pattern on this lace so much. It's on almost like everything I own from them. I'm obsessed with it. And then we have a side zipper. I haven't zipped it back up from when I tried it on, I guess. But it fits so perfectly. Oh my goodness, it fits like a dream. It has elastic in the back also, which is really nice. It is just so pretty. It's so pretty in pink. I love this shade of like mauvey pink. It is one of my favorite colors to wear, so I'm very, very excited to wear this. I'm going to probably replace that button pretty soon because it's driving me crazy. So there's that. This was, I can't remember when this came out, but this was on sale on the winter sale, and that's why I bought it. They also had it in black, but I thought the pink I would get more wear out of. And also I have a lot of black dresses, so I thought a pink dress would be just something special to wear, okay? Maybe I'm thinking about what I want to wear on my birthday already. But when you see the other dress, you'll know that that's my birthday dress, okay? Let's grab it. Let's go get it. Let's go get her. Now, as we know, one of my favorite motifs in clothing is fruits. I love a good fruit print. I love a fruit motif in anything, specifically a strawberry. And when I saw the Liz Lisa spring dress being strawberry picnic, how could I say no? It is the most beautiful dress. I had almost bought, I think a year or two ago, they did another strawberry spring collection, and I'll insert that one. It was like the strawberry gingham one, and I did really like it, but I didn't buy it in the end just because I didn't know if I would wear it, and I didn't know what colorway I really wanted. None of the colorways really spoke to me, so I just didn't buy it. But when I saw this, especially in the powder blue, like, it's so beautiful. It is a long sheer sleeve with little ruffly trim at the cuff. My favorite big fluffy lace, and then my hair is already attached to it. It is this most beautiful strawberry cake and picnic print. And I think what I love about it is how the powder blue really makes the strawberries pop. I love the contrast in the colors, and these little baby heart buttons are so cute. I'm sorry. And then, so there's the back sash, so you can tie it in the back to make a bow and cinch your waist. And it is just so long and pretty, and I'm sorry, this is like, do you know what I'm waiting for? I want spring. I want a nice flower field where I can frolic around in this and have a cute little picnic and take some cute photos and cry, okay? Like this with like a big white brimmed white hat and like a little picnic basket. I'm ready. I need spring. It is just so beautiful. I don't know, I'm assuming, so it came also with this neck. I thought at first it was a hair bow. I'm pretty sure it's a neck bow if I'm remembering correctly. Focus. Look at you go, camera. And here is the back in case you were curious. It does have that same ruching. Is this called ruching? No, this is not ruching. The shearing, that's what it's called. In the back to make it stretchy, and it does also have a side zipper. Again, I haven't zipped it since I last tried it on because I put it on and then took a selfie, sent it to my friend that enabled me, and then cried about it because it is just, it's beautiful. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I'm gonna try everything on so you all can see it, but I'm just like, these are like some of my favorite pieces from Liz Lisa. I'm obsessed with them. I just think the details and how well it fits the body is incredible. They know how to take all the details that I like. I love lace, I love sparkle, I love pattern, I love pastels, and they're able to just make everything into something I like. It makes me very happy. So next clip will be me showing off everything tried on. So there you will see it. So yeah, those are my Liz Lisa pieces I just got. Final thoughts. I love them all. They are so beautiful, so perfect. Go with everything I wear in my little J Fashion wardrobe and like everyday wear, honestly. What I do a lot is I combine like J Fashion pieces with like Western clothing or just different brands and different styles. I like to just combine everything into a little, maybe it's a little hodgepodge sometimes, but I have fun with it. I will say that shipping is kind of expensive right now because it's from Japan shipping DHL to the US. It's the only way they're shipping right now, so I did pay a lot for shipping, but I'm very happy with it, excluding again that button came off that pink dress, but there's nothing I can really do about that, and I'm not about to go issue a complaint, and it's not worth it to me. But yeah, that is everything I bought from Liz Lisa. If you would like to see another brand new Liz Lisa haul, I will put in the iCard section at some point my winter Liz Lisa haul where I bought from the winter collection last year or 2 years ago. I can't remember anymore. My concept of time is horrible. Horrible. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, yes, you hit the subscribe button, it's free. Woo! And in the comments, let me know which piece was your favorite. If you own any Liz Lisa, tell me what your favorite pieces are. I love talking about J Fashion because it is just, it's so over the top and it's so detailed and it just makes me happy. Follow me over on Instagram and Twitter to vote on upcoming video ideas and to see outfit photos. I want to do a fashion shoot soon. It is just still winter when I'm filming this, so eventually I would really like to do like a cute cherry blossom fashion shoot, but we'll see. Thank you all so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! I love you.